Massive action morning, guys. Hey, I'm gonna give you a few things on how to get your rhythm going in the morning. I only have a couple minutes here, but I'm gonna share some things with you to really get the momentum going in the morning, because I know going into the new year, you want to form new habits. You want to maybe change up your routine, and to get it rolling, man, it could be kind of struggling because it's something new. You're pushing your body to, and your body's not really wanting to work out or wanting to get up early or whatever. But a couple of things that's helped me transition to be more on point with my schedule is I try not to eat 3 hours before I go to bed. Okay, that way, you know, when you're asleep, if you eat right before you go to bed, your stomach's like acting all crazy. You're gonna be tossing and turning. So you want to try to go to bed on an empty stomach. I used to drink a lot of water. Like I used to have a lot of water by my bed, and I would drink water all night. But what it was doing, it was making me go to the restroom at night. And so because I was having to go to the restroom, I was getting up. And so it was kind of killing my sleep. So I stopped drinking a lot of water before bed. Another thing you can do is really prep, really prep before you go to sleep. How do you prep before you go to sleep, right? So a couple of things I do is I make sure I take a hot shower just to get my body in like a real comfortable state. I usually sleep with I have a different hoodie that I sleep with sometimes. Most of the time I usually sleep with a hoodie, and I try to stay warm. If my body is warm, then I can go into a deeper sleep. Usually before I go to sleep, I'm not on my phone. I'm not like going through a bunch of stuff on my phone all late. If anything, I'll be doing like an audio book, or I'll listen to some just some real relaxed, chill music, just really calming music, just to try to get myself like in a really relaxed state of mind. And one of the things you can do while you're going, you know, while you're trying to like put your body to rest, is really visualize and think about how the morning's gonna look. What time are you gonna want to get up? What are you gonna work out? Do you have your stuff ready so that when you get up, you can go to the gym, or you can go right to self-improvement studying in the morning? Do you have those things in place so that when you get up, it's kind of fast, like you're making the transition fast? What I did was I used to have a night light, like a lamp, and on the lamp I had a timer, and the timer would go off at 5 o'clock, because usually whenever there's light triggers your body that it's like morning, so it starts to release. It can release dopamine. It can release cortisol. It'll trigger you to get up, right? Another thing too is there's some supplements. They're called cortisone. What are they called? Cortisone. It's like a cortisone balancer, right? And what it does is, like, usually if you're like me and you have a lot of things going on, and you're always thinking about work, or you're always thinking about the next deal, or you're always thinking about, you know, you have a bunch of stuff on your mind, right? The cortisol supplements, they help stabilize your cortisol throughout the night, so you're sleeping. Because if you notice, like, if you monitor your sleep, I monitor my sleep right here with this little Fitbit. If you monitor your sleep and your heart rate, you'll notice that whenever you get up, and usually it's when you go to the restroom, you get a cortisol spike. And the cortisol spike is from you, like, stressed out or like thinking about something, and it triggers your cortisone to spike up, and that's what wakes you up. So you can get some cortisone supplements to help you rest later. Back in the day, I used to do a lot of like herbal teas and stuff before I would go to sleep, like the sleepy time tea, the lavender. I don't really do any of those pills for sleep. I try to just do it all, like, you know, prepare my body. I don't take the cortisone all the time. Like, very rarely I'll take it. If I'm really, really tired, if I'm really restless, I'll take it. But most of the times I don't take it. I try to put myself in a relaxed state of mind. an hour before I go to bed. Like so an hour before you actually want to go to bed, put yourself in that state of mind of just relaxation. Stay off your phone, because your phone, it does have a blue light on it, and that light, it kind of keeps you up. So remember that when your body sees light, when your eyes are attracted to light, something bright, your mind thinks that it's daytime, and so it's gonna be working to try to keep you awake. So that's why it's kind of difficult if you're gonna be on your phone at night. That's why most of the times if you're on your phone, like you stay on your phone longer than you want to, because your mind is telling your body, hey, like it's daytime, stay awake, stay awake, stay awake. And so it's not letting your body go into that relaxed state of mind. One thing that you can also do, I've done this for years, is really just write down what you want to do the next day. Just kind of put it on paper, almost like a to-do list, but really on what you want your morning to look like, what you want to get done, what your routine. Just constantly keep writing down your routine and how you want it to look, and it's not going to happen overnight. But if you can, for example, let's say, if you want to say, like for example, my routine is, my alarm goes off like at 5:30. I say, okay, you know what? I got to be at the gym by 6. Like I try to hit the door of the gym at 6, right? Today I got here at 6:11. And so, but I got up and I was like, damn, it's already 6. It's already past 6. So I said, no, I'm going to go anyway. So I came anyway, just to push myself, because I know that tomorrow I'll get the rhythm back again. And so if you ever fall off, don't get discouraged. Just say, hey, I'm going to go in. Maybe you were planning to work out for an hour, and just because you woke up a little late, you're only able to work 30 minutes. That's fine. Just get the 30 minutes in. At least you got it in. And so that's going to feel like an accomplishment. You're going to be like, man, I did it. Like I did it. After your workout, you're going to be like, man, I'm glad I did it, because if not, I would have kind of fell back into this rut. What it is, the wave, like it's a cycle. So we have these good times, right? We're on our routines, and then everything starts going good, and then we kind of, start eating bad, and then we start working out, and it kind of goes down. And so you got to make sure you catch it before it goes too far down. If you let it go this far, you see my hand? If you let it go this far down, then it's going to be very hard to kind of get it back up. So you want to kind of keep it in that, like keep it like that. So you're going to be good. You're going to, oh man, I fell off. Okay, just pick it back up. And you don't want to let it go down too far, because then you're going to have harder times. Because say if you're trying to eat lean, work out, stay off of sugar, stay off of caffeine, it's going to get harder to get back up. Recently, the last month of the year, I've really been pushing myself to really push my body and push my habits, right? One of my habits is I would drink a lot of Celsius drinks, and the life drinks, and yes, they're what are they? Stevia leaf, and they're organic, and they have caffeine in them. And so I was like trying to stay off caffeine, because look, one thing about the caffeine is the more your heart is like pushing, and you're like pushing yourself to accomplish something, it's actually harder. So if you actually put yourself more in a relaxed state, it's actually easier to do bigger things. It's pretty weird how that works, because you would think it would different. Like, man, I got to get hyped up. I got to be energized to go knock this thing out. But that's kind of the opposite, because it kind of restricts you for some reason. But we can get more into that later. But hey guys, hey man, y'all have a good week. Christmas is coming up. Make sure y'all ready for that. It's gonna come quick. Like I said, I appreciate y'all, everybody watching. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get up to 1,000, maybe by February 3rd, my birthday. And leave a comment, and I want to hear what y'all have to say about this one today. Good morning.
Good morning.
I want to hear what y'all have to say about this, and let me know if it's helped y'all, man. Let me know if it's helped y'all. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to answer them. Massive action, man.